What's up, you guys, and welcome back to another video. In today's episode, by the way, my name is Hussein. If you don't know me, this is my 2001 C5 Corvette wrapped in Celestial Unicorn, which is just beautiful color. SEMA show color, introduced the SEMA show. C5R race wing on it, all carbon fiber, ZR1 side skirts, and ACI splitter. And it's open, it is from the bottom, so it can cool down. In today's video, which we're gonna get right to it, this video shouldn't be taking really that long because I got the parts here. If I can get the part right here. By the way, these are lights for the fender, so we're gonna put these on the side. This is coming in installation later. As I said, I got a lot of parts to install, so stay tuned. It never ends. It never ends. But Rock Auto, you know what I like about Rock Auto? I'm gonna take a few moments here to explain about what I'm doing. So let's go back to the car real quick. And the tensioner pulley right here, very simple. Bolt number 1, bolt number 2, you're done. It should take like 5 minutes. So it's kind of making a very minimal noise, but I already have the part for it, and I had it for a long time. And I'm like, if I will go out, I will just buy, also, that's the tensioner pulley. I bought the idler pulley, which sits right next to the power steering pump, right here. But this is, what is it at? This is right here from Mark. Oh, I got the AC belt and the main belt for the car. Because I'm like, if I'm gonna swap them, I'm gonna go all out. Don't cheap out. Okay, so this is the tensioner pulley right here. I'm gonna put it right there. This is the tensioner pulley. Get a screenshot. There we go. So this is the part number right here for the tensioner pulley. Yes, it's made in Canada. Okay, now open it up. And you know what? This comes in one piece. That's just how it comes, which is really... You can replace this part, but most people do this piece. And that's pretty much, that's all it comes in. So let's go ahead and tackle this. You know what I like? This is shiny. The metal right here is cool. It's shiny. So that's how it's gonna sit. I mean, look at this. Look at the comparison. You know, I do need to polish these out and polish the alternator, just to make it clean like this, because it needs just a little bit of work. But it's cool. Excuse me, this is shiny. And let's hear this. Look at that. No noise. This is making really minimal noise. So let's grab the tools. I'll show you what you need, and let's get right into it. Pretty simple. Almost every single thing I do, I just make a YouTube video. I record it. You know, document the journey with my build, because this is very, very one-off build right here that's really inspired by the race car C5.R with also show mods. So it's race car and show at the same street car, or at the same time, I should say. So without further ado, we're gonna need a 15mm socket, a little bit of extension, and a ratchet. And I'm just gonna go ahead, and I hope you guys can see, because you guys on the tripod, you can see it actually right there. I can point. That's the first bolt, that's the second one, and we're gonna go ahead and put our socket right here. Then I'm gonna just move the tensioner forward so I can just slide off the belt ever so slightly. There we go. Don't let, here's the thing, well, give me 1 second. Don't let that belt hang, see, because I don't want to let it drop, so I don't have to reconnect it through the whole pulley, because that will be just a little bit of pain. So I'm gonna go ahead and get a tape really quick, and I tape it to the hose down there, so it doesn't just, the whole thing slides off. Okay, actually I did not even tape, it's just chilling down there. So I'm gonna go ahead and start, get the ratchet, the extension, and we're gonna break it loose. There we go. It's gonna be a long, it's actually not bad, not a long bolt to take out. An Air Force base here, but we got our first bolt out. There we go. The second That's the second one. Right there. Alright. This is the tensioner pulley. And oh boy, I think this is the original one. Alright, zoomed out for a moment so the camera can focus. But listen here. Very minimal noise though. And this part is also made in Canada. If you see right here. Yeah, but I can feel when I... Yep. Doesn't move as smooth as this. Look at this. See? Look at that one. Look at the old one. See? So, the new one is going to sit just like that. And it only sits one way. It cannot sit that way. It only sits one way, so you don't have to be confused. I'm gonna put the bolts through them. And we're gonna, yep, hand tighten them. Alright, so we're gonna change the camera location so you guys can see the torque wrench with the 5mm right here on the torque wrench. See, and we're gonna go ahead and torque the two bolts. Really easy, really simple. So, I'm gonna get the torque wrench on there, 37 foot-pounds. Okay. Boom, we in the green. Alright, once it's in the green, we're good. It's a pretty fancy one. Okay, hopefully I can get it through this one too. Alright. It's in the orange. Now we're in the green. And we are Gucci. We are in the green. Oh, there we go. There we go. There we go, it's on, almost. And we've got our belt on. Go ahead and go and start it and see what we got. Pretty sure we lined up the belt pretty good, so should be really easy. Should be no problem, no issues. Alright, 3, 2, 1, and here we go. Ta-da! Woohoo! Hell yeah! No, I mean, honestly, previously there was even no noise, but now it's even like, there was not even a lot of noise, but like, I got the parts. So what I want to swap them. So let me zoom you guys in. That's how it should look like. Alright, we're gonna go ahead and give it a little. Nothing too crazy. Got the top off for the weekend for the car show. Last time you guys remember, or actually I haven't even posted the video, but the oil pressure sensor is good because I replaced that. So we're gonna go ahead and give it just a little. No issues, belt's not throwing off. Looking pretty good. So I'm gonna go ahead, shut her down. And I will say that's a job well done. And you guys, do me a favor, subscribe down below. Hit that thumbs up button. It's free, doesn't cost anything. There's a lot of you guys watching has not subscribed. Thank you for everyone has subscribed, but there's people still haven't subscribed yet. And what are you waiting for? There's a lot of, what is the parts? They're right here. A lot of parts to come, and every time I put on parts, because I don't want to order, I already have parts, I don't want to keep ordering and not installing parts. They'll just be like a mountain of parts. So, I'm gonna put the few more left, and we're gonna order more parts. This is never done. I got so much stuff to do with this car, so much more things coming. You want to stay tuned, so don't miss out. Subscribe, share my videos. That helps me out, helps my channel. Comment what do you think. Pretty simple, literally, because I'm filming, so it takes me a little bit of more time to adjust the camera. It's like what, 15-minute job, you know? Take your time, don't lose the belt, because that would be a nightmare kind of to route the whole belt, and you gotta reach and all that stuff. But other than that, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hopefully this was helpful for some of you, and I will see you guys on the next one. Don't mind the mats down there. All right, see you later. Thanks for watching.